Next question. Do you think DeFi is going mainstream now? The options are not yet, but we're getting there soon. The other option, yes, it is happening. Third option, no, we still have a long way to go. Fourth option, not sure. Bill, what do you think?
Okay, my answer might seem surprising. I think you're seeing great price action in DeFi coins. So in that sense, I think people are starting to get it and starting to invest in it. But in terms of all the great things that DeFi can do, I think it's just getting started. I don't think it's mainstream yet that people are going to buy Bitcoin and then have it put on the Ethereum network and then go try to get return on it. I don't think the institutions have even gotten there yet. Now, obviously, some smart crypto people do it. And naturally, the early adopters and anything like DeFi have made tons of money. Okay, but I actually think there is a long way to go before people really can embrace decentralized finance and can use it on a day in and day out basis. So it's almost like it's the 60s behind me. And, you know, the moon rockets, the space program, if you will, if you want to call DeFi the space program, is just starting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so actually, I think we're getting close. We're not quite there, but we're getting close. So I want to pull up this. So Logan Paul, who's one of the biggest YouTubers in the world, is participating with Bondly Finance, this project, and he's tweeting about NFTs. I'm not quite sure exactly what's going on. I think that they have some kind of partnership where he's working with this project, and he's posting this on his Twitter about NFTs, about some NFT that pumped. Right. So I'm saying this. Then we also have Mark Cuban recently was in the news talking about NFTs. I think he bought an NFT from some site, but I think we're getting there. We're kind of knocking on the door. We're not quite there yet. I think probably in like, give it like 1 or 2 more years, I think we can get there. I think the pandemic has really sped things up to a point where now you have mainstream people from Mark Cuban to influencers like Logan Paul, not just talking about crypto, but about NFTs. Because also, can't forget the most famous person in the world right now, right? Elon Musk. Elon Musk is pumping Dogecoin to the moon. I mean, this is the world's richest person who's now becoming the biggest evangelist for Dogecoin, plus crypto. And I think Elon Musk low key is very bullish on crypto. I know he's kind of made that statement, but I think low key he is very, very bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum and the entire crypto space. But I think he realizes that he's such an influential person. He's not trying to FOMO crypto so much, or maybe he knows that because he works for Tesla, they can't just go out there and just put altcoins on the balance sheet, right? But the fact that he's slowly teasing this online on Twitter, from a few months back, he posted on a comment to Michael Saylor's post asking about how much liquidity is there to buy Bitcoin and put it on a balance sheet. So I think eventually, whether this year or next year, I think Elon Musk will shock the world and buy crypto. I think Bitcoin initially on Tesla's balance sheet. Because why is he tweeting about Dogecoin so much? Yes, I know on Clubhouse we were saying this was a joke, it was a meme, but sometimes you have to kind of introduce things as memes, as jokes, to bring people's guards down, and then you give them the actual education. Right? Kind of like with creating content, how sometimes you have to kind of use clickbait to get the eyeballs, and then you give them that actual knowledge. So I feel like Elon Musk is doing the same thing. So we have Elon Musk talking about crypto, we have Mark Cuban, we have Logan Paul. So I think we're getting there. We're not quite there yet, but I think we're close to getting there. All right, so the audience agrees. They're saying not yet, but we're getting there soon. Runner up was yes, it is happening. Then third place, no, a long way to go. And fourth, not sure. So tell us what you think down in the comments below. Okay, let's take a look at the comments and see how we're doing. Bob Hampton says, great video, guys. You're awesome. Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it. People talking about Elrond. Yeah, Elrond has been on a run-up. Elrond was actually one of the highest-rated coins last month on tokenmetrics.com. So for anybody who got in, congrats. You've been making money. Also, same thing with Voyager, VGX, I believe. Okay, let's see here. Just give me 1 second. People saying DeFi is the future. Okay, yeah. I mean, I think we all can agree DeFi is the future. But if we kind of extrapolate that out and say DeFi is the future, where is DeFi being built on? DeFi is being built on Ethereum. So Ethereum is the future, right? That's kind of the way I view things. And that's why I'm very bullish on Ethereum. As you guys know by now, I don't own any Bitcoin because even to date, you've made more Bitcoin. So Bitcoin to me is almost like a stable coin. And I think whatever Bitcoin is doing, Ethereum will do better long term. And Ethereum is even more undervalued. So that's why I'm very, very bullish on that. Okay.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.